When you have oily skin, the chances are that your skin tends to get greasy during the course of the day. So we've come up with some super effective hacks that will help you keep your skin looking matte and even your makeup from melting. If you aren't already using a toner on your skin, then you're doing more harm to it than any good. After cleansing your face, toners hold an important part in your skincare regime. So, if your skin is oily and it feels stretchy or itchy after washing, you definitely need a toner. The antioxidants present in the toner will prep your skin by hydrating it and balancing out its pH levels. Moisturizing your skin is an integral part of your everyday routine, even if you have an oily skin type. If you skip moisturizing your face and body, your skin will overcompensate for the lack of moisture by producing more oil. So if you love adding natural ingredients to your everyday skincare routine, you can make a lightweight moisturizer using just 2 ingredients. Mix aloe vera gel with some rose water. Apply it twice a day after using your toner and massage your face with it. Aloe vera hydrates oily skin without making it greasy, and rose water will prevent excess oil production and soothe it. Oily skin types deserve special pampering every single day, and so you should start your day with a soap that's meant for your skin type. Invest in a cleanser that suits your skin type or make one all by yourself. Take an opaque white soap base and cut it into equal chunks. Microwave it for about 30 seconds or till it melts completely. Add 2 tablespoons of finely ground rice to the melted soap. Add about 7 to 8 drops of tea tree essential oil to the mix and mix it well. Pour the mixture into a mold of your choice, and if you notice bubbles on the surface, spray some rubbing alcohol to watch them instantly disappear. Ground rice is known for its oil-absorbing properties, and tea tree essential oil combats acne-causing bacteria. Let it sit for some time until you notice that the mixture is set. Now, for the second layer, take a clear soap base, cut it in equal amounts and melt it for about 30 seconds. Now add about 8 teaspoons of activated charcoal powder to the melted soap and add 10 to 12 drops of tea tree essential oil to it. The combination of activated charcoal and tea tree essential oil will help detoxify and absorb all the impurities from the skin. Mix well and repeat the same procedure as you did with the first mixture. Let it sit for some time and then you can take it out from the mold and cut the bar into pieces. There you go. You have your everyday oily skin fix. If you prefer using natural ingredients instead of products on your face, you can use this DIY to tackle acne caused due to excess sebum secretion. Mash 2 garlic cloves into a paste and pour some rose water over it. Apply this mixture on affected areas and you'll see a noticeable difference in your skin's healing process. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic relaxes the skin and boosts skin health, which makes it a great remedy to treat acne. Rose water protects your skin from over-drying. Looking to hydrate your skin and give an instant glow to your face? Here's a quick DIY that can help fix your tan, add moisture and keep it radiant. Pour milk in an ice tray and allow it to freeze. Take a milk ice cube and massage it on your face and neck for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now gently massage your face in small circular motions. Rinse your face and you'll wake up with radiant looking skin the next morning. An increase in sebum production tends to make your skin looking oily, clogs your pores and leads to breakouts. So in order to remove the excess oils from your face, keep blotting sheets handy. They are super essential as they help soak up excess oils from the face and mattify it, keeping the oils from clogging your pores. If you're someone who cannot get rid of those bright red pesky pimples, here's another amazing DIY that will help you out. Take some powdered green tea leaves and moisten it with some hot water. Add a cooling ingredient such as aloe vera to it and mix well. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant that reduces puffiness, stubborn acne and acne scars. This mixture will calm down the swollen pimples that cannot be covered up with makeup. Following these simple everyday hacks will help you reduce the excess oils from your face and body as well as keep acne at bay. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.